squishy. Mommy, I must make it squishy.
What are you doing?
I want to make it squishy.
You're giving in. You're giving in to the temptation.
Go for it.
Whoa, jeez. There goes all the glass shattering.
What if there's an animal inside?
You just got enough. Now the animal's unconscious.
Is there really glass in it?
No, I was teasing.
Not anymore.
In a minute.
Nathan's Spider-Man
Come here.
shirt's on
Fresh
backwards.
glass now.
Come here.
Nathan, I got a great video of the back of your head.
Oh, no. Everyone, I need you guys to close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Oh, and Jules and Nathan's and just say that does not enter you. I'm closing my eyes. It's a funny cover. Oh, yeah.
Well, I think she likes it.
I think she does too.
That's what I told you.
Nathan, put that back with the present over there. It's just a card. Put it on her other it's a card for Alyssa.
This is the girl that got